Alright, you beautiful peoples of the internet, Glyn here, Cheapskate Gaming, Tech Reviews, Gaming News, Tech Reviews, whatever. Stupid name, I know. Anyway, I'm here with a review, tech review. And it's basically just a little, you see it on screen here. Ambilight, £6.79, not Ambilight, TV backlight. £6.79. Now, what's unusual about this one, that you'll find with a lot of other TV backlights, is this one has rainbow colours. So not only is it cheaper than most standard TV backlights, but this also does what's called RGB IC. Not sure what the IC stands for, something control, whatever, but intelligent control, maybe something like that. I'm not sure what the IC. Sure, someone can post in the comments what IC stands for. I'll probably Google it in a bit. So let me get the box. Comes in a pretty standard crappy little box with some bad English on there. I would read it, but I can't go with glasses on. Stand by. My mum's glasses. No reflection on screen. Eliminates eye strain when watching TV in a dark environment. Well, that's pretty good. Powered by TV is USB port. Eliminates the need for a wall socket. So let me just do my Chinglish translation of that. Essentially, it's, let me just unplug. I'm going to unplug it. I've got it plugged in. Look at it. Essentially, it's USB powered. So here's the product. Let me get rid of the screen here. How do I do that? Like that. That's it. So try and show it all off. So I've still got it wrapped up in this little coil here. That's about 5 foot of cable it comes with, to 5 foot of cable to the actual strip itself. The strip is 3 meters, which is plenty of length if you want to go around a 65-inch or bigger even TV. I think with a 65 you should be able to get, what would that be, you should be able to get around 3 sides easily off a TV with a 65 or even a larger TV. And if you've got a small TV, just go around more than once. So as I said, USB powered, and then for the controls, you've got M for mode, that's your power button in the middle, and your music button. Comes with a little manual. Doesn't really, it goes on about apps and stuff, but I'm pretty sure this isn't wireless or anything. There's no apps to be had for this particular one. I think what it is, they make this company Daymeet. Daymeet? Hold on, let's bring it back up a minute. Yeah, Daymeet. I think they make more than one product. So anyway, let's plug it in and let's just show you it working. Now, I'm just recording this with a webcam, so don't expect the greatest quality ever. Right, let me just get this in. And I'm basically plugging it into the side of my mouse pad here because it's got a little USB dongly controller. So there she is. Let's put it on this side. We just move my microphone back. Yeah, sorry if I made a noise then. So we're gonna click through them if I can find. Oh, this is a nice little thing. The actual controller has a little light on it. Now, some people could find that maybe annoying, but it's got a light on it. But if you want to hide it behind the couch and have this as accent lighting for, say, so I'm just going to move the mic, as accent lighting for your room or whatever. Let me hold it with my other hands. Then you could hide this behind the couch, and when you want to find it, you just look down and see that it's all lit up. And also it can help you identify which buttons you're pressing. So at the moment, this is the one it'll come on as standard, and it's a rainbow lighting. I just leave that. The camera's not going to pick it up too well because you really need a dark room. But you can see that it's cycling through various rainbow colours, and I'm going to flick through the mode. So that's another different rainbow lighting pattern. And now we're going to start. That must be a faster version of it. Now we're starting to get to sort of the comets or meteor effects. That's just like bonkers crazy colours all over the shop. That's another one. That's just like blue strobe. Turn your car into a police car, plug it into your car. Don't do that. This is another sort of comet effect, green and red. Oh, it's changing to blue. So that's doing dual colour flashing. Anyway, so it's an absolute bucket load. I'm just flicking through them quick now. There's a bucket load of effects on there. I just can't believe it. This is only like £6.80, £6.79. Free delivery on Prime for those of you which have got a Prime membership. Right, I'm back to RGB. It's also got a music, like I showed you there. It also had a music button. So I'm going to test that, but I'm not going to play music. I'm just going to shout at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think it has different music effects as well. So that's the first press. I'm pressing it again. So that's a slightly more crazy one. That'd be quite nice if you want to play music in your room. 1, 2. And that's a different, oh, that's a static effect. But it's changing, like it's going from green to red and just all one colour. So it's actually got different music effects on it. Let me put it back to mode. Right, let me put my arm down and I'll bring this back up on the screen again. And what I will do, I'll have a link in the description of the video. And that will take you straight to Amazon where you can purchase one yourself. Okay, it's one of those, it's not an affiliate link because I'm not affiliated or anything. I bought this off with my own money. It's just one of those Amazon link things that I've recently added to the account. So anyway, if you want some really nice little RGB lighting, you could put it in your PC, you could put it behind your computer monitors, on your television, you could just have it in your room, bedroom. If you've got kids and you want to sort of jazzy up their room and they like playing music, this would be a great little thing. And you can find that some of these other RGB lights, they can be like 30, 40 quid. Oh, by the way, I didn't say the length, it's 3 meters this one. They do longer ones, but 3 meters, that's enough for doing most TVs, whatever. 5 meters can get a bit long. I have got other ones that are similar to that. But I paid a lot more for the 5 meter one. I paid about 25 quid. I could have got away with 2 of these. Anyway, this has been Glyn, Cheapskate Gaming News, Tech Reviews. Thank you for your view. And of course, if you fancy one of these, go and check them out now because they're cheap on Amazon. Pick them up. Okay, bye now. Where's the stop button? There it is.